Coming at you from Tokyo, Japan, my name is Dave and this is my Toyota Altezza. What I have here is the Beatrush Laile, if that's how you say it. This is the aluminium underbody tray thing. I foolishly threw my plastic one away thinking I didn't need it, it was extra weight, but then found out that the low pressure in the engine bay actually helps to cool it. Fail. So I looked on Yahoo Auction and the plastic ones are, it's a significant amount of money. I thought I may as well go to an aluminium one. Why not? Right, I need to open this box. So I'm gonna need some kind of cutter or murdering equipment. Maybe I can use these pliers. Yeah, don't go get the proper tool. Just fumble around with a tool that will take you 7 times as long to complete the task. Oh, here we go. Now we're cooking. No, maybe not. Come on, bro. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Stop trying to cut me and cut me.
Stop trying to hit me and hit me.
There we go. Oh, maybe it opens from the side too. I don't know. Find out next time on Garage Care. Got blue protector on it. That's gonna get scratched to shit while I'm trying to put it on. It's brand new and it's got these fingerprints on it. That doesn't matter. It's gonna get absolutely trashed being under the car and I'm gonna throw it around. I'm gonna drop it, so I should probably not even try to be nice to it from day one. What else is in the box? Mounting equipment and some brochures. There is no destructions, you just bolt it on. Oh, there is instructions. They were in my hand the whole time. Yeah, one of the reasons why I wanted to do this now, while I'm putting the car back together, is because I have the full Tom's brace kit.
Actually, I'm missing 3 bits. The Tom's front tower bar, but I couldn't even find any photos of it. I have no proof this thing even exists. Maybe I dreamt it. The Tom's rear tower bar, but I've got a Cusco one, and it's thicker, so it's probably better. And this thing, but they don't really show up on Yahoo Auction anymore, so I imagine when the next one does, it will cost more than a brand new Cusco one. The Cusco one's thicker, and takes a better path in my opinion. Looks damn good in black too.
But I digress. And that includes pieces that go from the camber bolts at the front to the tow hooks, and I wanted to know whether I'm gonna actually be able to fit it. Like, can that go on with the arms? Looking at this, maybe not, but we'll give it a go. It's got like scuff marks on it out of the box, which if it was any other product I would care about, but not this. Alright, so they'll connect to my front lip, which is quite novel considering I've got nothing holding my front lip on there at the moment. Oh, that's nice. It comes with speed clips, so yeah, you push those on and that will be that. Peel the blue shit off first. I've got the mosquito coils out, but I don't, the itch is just incredible. Mosquito coils aren't doing shit. I might have to tap it in. Tap it in. Give it a little tappy. Tap, tap, tap-a-roo. You know what would be better than using pliers for this? Literally anything. Like a ratchet would work better than the pliers. My phone would probably work better than the pliers. Oh, the mosquitoes though. Here's a mosquito coil. How about a 22mm socket? How does that work as a hammer? Perfect. What'll happen now is that I'll drop stuff from the top and it'll get stuck on this rather than going all the way to the floor. There's the part number and everything. Oh, they're Allen headed. I like Allen bolts, but not for this. I prefer to have just regular old bolts. These are button heads too. Like, if that gets stuck in there, you'll have to drill it out. Whereas if you've got a regular bolt, you can like grab hold of it with vice grips and shit. So I'm not going to be using the hardware that was supplied. Oh, this mosquito coil's not working because a mosquito just landed on my crock and was having a good time trying to suck blood from it. The old Cuttery Senko is not doing its job. You got one job. Do your job. Do your goddamn job.
I discovered while editing that my microphone wasn't on the whole time, but here I've cut out a hole for the tow hook and the Tom's brace, transferred that over to the other side with a piece of cardboard and a marker, and then I'll cut it out with a jigsaw. Jigsaw noises, jigsaw noises, jigsaw noises, jigsaw noises, jigsaw noises. Jigsaw noises, jigsaw noises, jigsaw noises. We only go close with the jigsaw, we don't go right up to the line. For that we use the die grinder, or a Dremel, you might call it. Looking good, but now we need to deburr it. I pulled the plastic plugs out of here and installed some M8 rivserts. Very nice. We're undoing the camber bolt. Now I'm installing the bracket for the brace. Just finger tight at this stage. Put the brace in there to make sure everything fits right. Again, we're just going finger tight. And here it is installed. Install the undercover. And then test for fitment. Ooh, look at that. So nice. Doesn't touch. Let's install my new fender liners that I had to buy off Yahoo auction because I foolishly threw mine away. Now I have to make it so the side plastics fit on. They go on like this, but you can see the problem. I'll just simply cut them with some scissors. Oh, no I won't. These are ruined. Ooh, check out those ninja moves. And a more robust pair of scissors. Looks like I've already cut the other side. I wonder where that footage went. Now I need to do this curvy section. With a jigsaw, of course. Jigsaw noises. Jigsaw noises. There we go. That looks okay. Now test fit it. Looks like I nailed it first try. Now I've got to do the other side. I'm not even going to bother with the scissors this time. Straight to the jigsaw. Jigsaw noises. Jigsaw noises. Jigsaw noises. Be nice if my equipment just worked, wouldn't it? Jigsaw noises. Jigsaw noises. Remember, don't try this at home. You will likely cut your finger off or your arm. I happen to be fine. They look close enough for me. Wasn't that fun?
Well, it's been a few weeks. Honestly, wouldn't lie to you. My hair's longer, you can tell. So, I've been under here. I've spent a lot of time. I've got my fender liners back in using bolts, and I bought some speed clips from Amazon. I haven't used too many. Like, I don't think this needs one because it's being held on by that there. I redid the side skirts as well. For this one, because it still had the plastic in there, I was able to find a whole bunch of these screws. I hadn't thrown them away after all, so I just used them where I needed to rather than drilling out and putting in rivserts, because why? It's just a plastic cover. I've got this tightened up. It's all done and ready to go. It's nice. Later on I'll pull this back out and paint it yellow. Why not? Just not doing it now because I don't have time. On the other side, same deal. Got this on. It's all nice under here now. Never let the woman at the hairdresser convince you that you need more fringe. Just don't do it. Cut it back as short as you can. I've just sort of offered it up, and it he offered it up. I don't know why people say that. Test fitted it. How about that? Just, these are hand tight, and it's looking pretty good. This hole lines up with the plastic here, so that's cool. And the same deal on the other side. I've already got, well, you can see that it doesn't line up that good, but we'll figure that out. And then we've got our holes at the front that don't really line up either, so this is good. This is good. So we're doing okay. I'll be honest, I've lost the instructions, but I do still have the bolts. I've got no clue what that's for, so I'm not going to use it. I've got two here. Those will be alright. Oh, that'll work. That's three. They're not exactly the same. Yeah, that's another one. And use the stupid long ones. Could do. I'm an adult. I can do that if I want to. That might be okay. Yeah, that's another one of those. So we got 5 there, and then these 2. That's probably going to be enough, honestly. Better than buying something. Okay, let's try these. I don't think I could ask for better than that, honestly. It's pretty damn good. That fits. Doesn't hit. That fits. doesn't hit. Yep, we got that in there. We got some M8s holding on here. Yeah, it's that's brilliant. Nice. Look at that. Just needs some scratches on it. Excellent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 bolts to get it off, to do the oil change. Not bad.